How to hyperlink an email on Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to hyperlink an email on your Microsoft Word. So in order to hyperlink an email address, you first have to open up your Word app. So here I have created this is a blank document right here. So what you want to do is enter the email address that you want to hyperlink. So I'm just going to enter my own email address right here. And once you have done that, what you need to do is just go ahead and select or highlight this entire text like this. Then head over to the Insert tab on the top. And now you'll find different options here. So what you need to do is click on this link tab, go ahead and click on it, and then click on Insert Link. Now a different window will appear here like this. You just want to head over to this email address tab. Now just paste the email address that you have just entered. So I'm just going to type in my email address. So once you have entered this, it will be displayed as this text. So I don't want this mail to displayed on my text. So I'm just going to remove this. And now what happens is you can just go ahead and click on enter and click on OK. And as you can see now, this has been highlighted blue, meaning that it has been hyperlinked. So if you want to go to mail, you just press Control on your mouse. Control on your keyboard and left click on your mouse, and it will follow you to the link and it will directly open up the mail. So that's how you do it. That's how you easily hyperlink a mail on Microsoft Word. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.